Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, February the 28th, 2023, last day of the month February, and we have here 7 extra puzzles in this additional: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So half of them I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. First one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku number 6037. 6037. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 25 printed digits. Alright, 25, and it's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. So for a 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 2s, 1 3, 4 4s. Alright, 4 4s. We have here 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 4s are in majority. Question is, can we start with the 4? Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. So only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Is here 4 in this row? No 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Well, not true. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the first row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 4. Alright. Okay, 4. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row? So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now I cannot continue with the 1. Need to wait. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 6 6. Alright. Then. 6 9 2. 6 9 2 and 8. Need 8. Yeah. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. 8, 4, okay. 6. Yeah. Come on. 5. 5491, okay. 6 should be here, 6 should be there, okay. Let me see the 9. Yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there in this big square. Here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, okay. Well. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here 9 also in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Now I can continue with the 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4, okay. But the 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 is left in this big square for number 8. So we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8. That means in this column we have 5 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing number is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. We have 8 in that row, so no 8 there. So the 8 in this column could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 4. Now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in the middle column, sorry, in the second column. So no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the third row. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 3, 7, 5. Then. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the last row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. Alright. Then 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. Nope, the 4 we have here. The 5 is missing here. The 5 is missing. Alright. 3 and 6, okay. 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, digit number 6, number 7. So what are the other 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9, yeah. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, okay. We have a 6 here, so the 3 and the 5 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, 3, 5, 6. We have a 6 here, so the 3 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Yep. 3, 5, 6 in this big square. We have a 5 here, so the 3 and the 6 are left. Alright. One box left in this column for number 3, 5, 6. We have a 6 and a 5. So 3 are left. Okay. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3, 5, 6. We have a 3 here, so the 5 and the 6 are left. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 3, 5, 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this row, so this box should be a 3. So the 5 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 5 goes there, and a 3 and a 5 last 2 numbers. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so well, I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.